Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can get the active cell address. Okay, I think that you know what is cell in Excel. These are all our cells. Okay, and you can see the active cell is now is E8. Okay, but there is also another way to get the cell address by the help of VBA. Okay, so how to know the active cell address? To know that, at first of all I have to go to the developer tab and Visual Basic, and I have to insert a module. I just insert a module and I give the sub procedure in the name of sub cell address. Okay, now I have to do nothing, but I have to do one thing only, that is message box, MSGBOX message box, and then active cell dot address. Okay, now if I run this macro, then you will find a message box will appear on the screen, and on that screen you can see the active cell address. Okay, so this is a macro run button. I run it, you can see that is F8. Okay, so I go to the insert and I go to the shapes and take this shape and I draw a shape here, and I right click on it, edit text, and get cell address. I type here get cell address. Okay, so that if I click on this button, then I can see the cell address, and I go to the right click on it and I go to the assign macro, and the macro that I have just created, that is cell address. I click OK. Now suppose I click on this particular cell, you can see here it is M15, and now if I click here, then also you can see the same cell address, that is M15. Okay, so I click here, you can see here it is M15. Okay, you can see here it is 86, and if I click here also, you can see here it is 86. There is two way you can see it here also, and by clicking this macro you can also see the get the cell address. Okay, there are two ways. I have shown you the two ways. One is this is the easier way for you all, and if you want to do this process also, it is also okay for you. Okay, so I don't want to make this video too long. This video is still this. Thank you all of you.